course, being the Stylish Dragon and the products that we have, I have to show you how absolutely perfect this light is with the twist and stand system. Okay, first I'm going to go with the junior stand here. The junior stand holds up to 5 pens, and it can sit like this so your pens are horizontal, or it can sit like this so your pens are vertical. And I will show you that. We have a prepped InkJoy gel pen right here. I've already cut the clip off and sanded down the areas that I wanted to sand down. And then this is the standard pen twist. It fits the InkJoy gel and the Sharpie S gel. So you just twist that on there. The threads match up with the threads on the inside, and you can just twist that right on there. Now there's 2 ways that you can use this with the light. I have my prep wand here. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. Now let's say I just am doing 1 pen. I'm not going to do a bunch of pens right now. I'm just doing 1 pen. I'm going to go ahead and put my skim coat on here, put my glitter on here, and I'm ready to cure. I could just hold this and hold it under the light, just like this. Spin it if I feel like it, you know, and make sure that everything is nice and even, of course. And you can hold it under the light like this. Or if you don't want to have to sit there and hold it, then you grab your Twist Stand Junior, just spin that right on, and look at this, guys. It fits in there perfectly. There is the Twist and Stand Junior stand. And we've got the pen on here. And look at that. It sits right on top of that mirrored bottom, so you have the full 360 curing from the lights on there. If you wanted to cure them up vertically for whatever reason, maybe you've got drips on there and you want to keep it standing vertical for the drips, well, this stands up on its own. It'll hold like that. And what I'd like to do is, so take the bottom off just so that you can set. So as you can see, there's the top of it. It sets in there just nicely. And once you have it inside, you can go ahead and throw your magnetic base back on and it'll cure.